Hey guys, how you doing? Anyways, today I'm going to do something. If you are very low on paints, this is a really great idea. It doesn't really take a lot of paints. And as long as you got some house paint to put it on, it's a fluid painting. But if you got some house paint, it takes very little. So if you got the end of your containers, you can mix up some little tiny cups and make some pretty cool effects. So that's our goal. I'm going to pull you down. Maybe. I've been painting quite a bit today, so and on top of it all, I have to keep, for some reason this thing wants to quit recording, so I have to stop once in a while and see if it's recording. Okay, this when you're doing this, usually I keep the paints just a little bit thinner than normal, that if I'm going to do like a flip cup. So just a little bit, and I'll probably add some more in a few seconds here. Hopefully that's going to be okay, because you really want to get it moving a little bit when you blow it out. And, you know, you can make like little designs if you wanted to, or you could put it all in the middle. You know, it's whatever floats your boat, I guess. So, and you could even stop and probably blow some of this out right now. That one seems a little thicker than I want it. See it sitting up on there? Eek. Oh well. See, we're not talking about a lot of paint. I don't mind if it swings out of there because it doesn't bother me at all. Not at all. And I'm hoping I don't, like, this is it's a little thinner than what a lot of times I'll do with a flip cup. So, and I'm sure other people may use it thicker. So don't, you know, you're going to have to try. I'm not a person who does a lot of measuring. So there are people out there that will measure it and tell you exactly how they like it. Ooh, that one's a little thicker. How'd that get thick so quick? Well, one drop, hopefully. Oh, that one drop, even though there's nothing in there. Now, you've seen there wasn't much paint used. So, let's see. Anything else we want to add? You know what I forgot to add. I want to add a little silver around. I'm just going to swing it in and out. And I think it's running that way a little much, so I'm gonna, should have switched my little stickers. All right, now you could do this by just leaning over and blowing on it. I must have either had it completely off kilter or something. There we go. Anyways, is that all the colors? Oh, let's add a little white. This white, okay, most of my colors are Liquidtex, but they've been mixed up with so many to get the colors I want. And it's hard right now to get the colors you want. I don't know if you guys are noticing this. Like everybody seems like they're out of paint. I don't know if that's going to be for quite a while or what. All right, I think... No, I'll just do the regular hair dryer. I don't like this hair dryer for blowing stuff out, but I'm going to have to use it for today. It's the only one I got. All right. I'm going to run some more here. Now, technically, if you wanted to, at this point, you could just go ahead and, actually, we could even torch it and see what it does. What the heck? I'm just playing anyways today. Do I have the torch right here? Yeah. All right. And not a big change. I don't know why, but... All right, so let's blow her out a little more, or we could pick it up. This is why I don't like this hairdryer. It is impossible to turn off. What is this one? Anyways, pain in the neck. You know what I like about this one? I like the way this color here had all the cool little cells lining up around the edges. I thought that was kind of cool. So, I would like to continue to get a little more on these edges so it matches. Just a little bit. There's a little bit of, I forgot to mention, these paints have some, little bit of silicone in them. Now, you can do this without it. It's not real important. Silicone's what would have caused this. If that's what you like, then I would say go ahead and use some more. You know, I'd kind of like to move that out a little bit. I just haven't decided how I want to do that. I wonder if I got straw right here I could use. May have blown it a little hard. I normally would have tilted this some more, but I really like how the outer edges turned out. This side's a little less, but this is pretty cool. So I might leave this alone now, because I'm hoping this, like, I really love what the outside of this teal did. Just the way it made its own little border. Right in here is not quite perfect, but the rest of it's pretty cool. I mean, I don't know if there's anything I could do to change that or not right there. Not offhand. Can I think of anything? I'm, just for the fun, going to give another quick torch. Just in a little bit. Yeah, I'm going to leave this alone. I kind of like just the way it is. So, can you see real good? See how I like those sides quite well. Get that thing, the light off of there. Kind of moved it, didn't I? Showing you guys. I didn't realize it was so wet. All right, so I'm not going to look at it anymore. Oh, I blew off some of my stuff trying to show you. That's okay. It wasn't meant to be, was it? Yep, I'm going to leave it alone still. All right, guys. I might try that again. Thank you for stopping by.